All right, well, hi, I am Karen. In this video today, I'm very excited because it just came in the mail. Say what it is, spit it out. Anyway, so in this video today, I'm going to be doing a little DIY CC cream with some of the foundations that I have. I recently watched this video by Taylor on Thataylaa. I think that's how you pronounce her channel. She showed how to use this compact from Amazon, how to create your own cushion foundation. That was it. If you watch my channel, you'll know I purchased this not too long ago. I believe it was from Marshall's. And I wanted to find something to do with this because I was like, oh my gosh, I don't use this enough. And it's because I have to mix the two of them to really get my shade. And when I saw her video, this light bulb went off in my head and it was like, that's what you needed. You needed a pretty case to put the foundation in to mix it up. Instead of just being a cushion foundation, I can turn it into a CC cream because I need to use these. And sometimes when I go out, I don't like to wear heavy makeup. I want it to look like literally like skin, but just, you know, with a little bit of perfection to look like I didn't really try. I hope you get what I'm saying. So let's just go ahead and jump into the video. All right, so this is the package that came in. It's on Amazon. And I'm an Amazon junkie, by the way. Like, yeah, I've been like that since I got pregnant. When I realized I didn't have to drive somewhere to go get stuff. And if you've been pregnant, you know what I mean. Like your back, your hip. Hopefully you don't have morning sickness. Hopefully you don't have motion sickness. Yeah. And this came really quick because this was on Prime. Oh my goodness. Look how, y'all. Look how pretty this is. Oh my gosh. Okay, how do I get it with a light? There you go. Look how pretty this is. And then it's gold. And then it has a little thing on the bottom. I guess you can push that up so you can mix it up. And then that's a little button right there to pop it open. It almost looks kind of like pearlescent, kind of. It's kind of luxury-like. And they come in different colors as well. Comes with a little pad. You can buy like extra pads and stuff. How do we do it? Oh, here we go. Does it pop out? I believe it does. It says push. All right, so it has a little arrow here that says push. Am I doing it right? All right, I just had to push a little bit. Okay, how does it come out? Okay, that's interesting. I don't think I did it right. I just totally just like took this apart. I guess I probably didn't have to take it apart, but it snaps back in. So that's the shell. Oh, it comes with a little mirror. How cool is that? Okay, cool. So you can, you know what? Okay, I'm gonna say this. There are like certain little things that just make you feel girly. And I just felt like this was like one of those rare things because I'm not one of those like super girly girl type of women. I'm not. If you've been watching me, I think you know that by now. But just looking at something like this, it's inexpensive, but it just, I don't know, it just has a little luxury feel. Anyway, that's enough. Blah, blah. Moving on. Here, so I guess you can make your mess in here. Here's the sponge without putting it, you know, getting it all over in that. So let's do that. I'm so excited about this. Oh, and these foundations are from Bare Mineral. They're the Bare Skin Pure Brightening Serum Foundation. All right, so I'm gonna put the foundation in there. Oh, I'm making this hard. Squeeze some in there, squeeze some in there, and let's mix it up. The thing I do remember about mixing my own CC creams, like on the back of my hand, is it will get lighter when you add the moisturizer. So you might want to just have it just a little bit dark. I'm just gonna put a little bit more foundation in there. All right, let's see where we at. All right, and then I'm gonna take this primer / moisturizer from Embryolisse, and I'm gonna use that as my little thing. All right, don't put too much because, you know, we're not sure. Start little, start small. Let's just stir that on in. Make sure you stir it good before you go putting the sponge in there and it's not like nicely blended. Ooh, it looks moussey. It does, it looks like mousse. Yeah, I see why you want to take this out before you do this. All right, and that's the texture so far. Let's see if we got it right. Cool. And I just put foundation on too. Okay, we can put a little bit more yellow in there because that's still a little bit too orange, or a little too warm, should I say. And mix again. Oh man, come on Karen, get ahead of the game. All right, there we go. Ta-da. I can live with that because, you know, we can do a little bit of concealer and all that, and it'll act more as a bronzy type thing in the powder. We're good. We're good. I'd rather it be a little bit warm than too pale. No, thank you. Oh, and these shades are in Bare Buff 10 and Bare Maple 17, in case you're curious. All right, now for the fun part, let's get this in there. Oh, this is about to get messy. Actually, no, it didn't. I can't wait to test it out, but not today because I got makeup on. But we are gonna test it out in hand. Let's close it, and I'm gonna put it back in here. You see the little part right there where this corner is supposed to go into, and yeah, it just snaps back down in there. That's it. That easy. Oh, now let's test it out. That looks pretty. Just exactly what I wanted. Just something to like taint the skin, but it still looks like skin. Oh, yes. Yes, yes, yes. That's it. It's just that simple. Oh, and I think this was like $7.99. The only thing I would say is they do have 3 options on there. They have one with a blue. Instead of it being gold, it's blue. And instead of the blue, it's red. But for some reason, they didn't have any drop-down options to like pick the colors when I was on there. So, but they sent me the gold. So I don't know if they send you them random colors. But this was the color I wanted anyway. So it worked out. So I'm just kind of giving you a heads up. But it's so pretty. Like something like this, you can take it with you. You know, if you want to do little touch-ups. Because if you're out all day, that's what I love about that type of makeup. Anyway, that is it for this video. Thank y'all so much for watching. If you enjoyed it and you're not subscribed to my channel yet, make sure to go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below and hit the little bell. So whenever I upload a new video, you'll be one of the first to know. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to y'all soon.